Welcome to Insurance Alerts broadcast. I am Vivek Jain here. Today we have with us is Dr. Reddy from Amaze Insurance Brokers, and we are going to talk to him regarding the role of insurance in creating a social security. Welcome to the show, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Vivek, Mr. Vivek. Thank you.
Sir, my first question to you is, what is the role of insurance in the whole social security system, and how to enhance the whole system of social security in country like India?
India. Yeah, insurance is the only solution for the social security, whether it is in India or anywhere in the world, because it will protect the well-being of the families. It will also protect the financial status of the individual families, whether it is a death of a family member or it is some flood or cyclone resulting in calamity which damages the dwellings, whether it is a crop which gets damaged by flood, cyclone, or pest or disease, or whether it is a livestock wealth, which is, resulting in some death of animals where the farmers will be put to loss. So these are the areas where the insurance can come to the actual rescue of the individual farmers or individuals as such, so that the families are taken care of, their well-being is taken care of, their financial well-being continues to be the same as it was before the actual loss or damage that happens to the individual life or even to the properties. And coming to the our country under the leadership of our beloved Prime Minister, lot of initiatives I can definitely tell in providing insurance, which is a social security oriented, we stand number one. Mr. Vivek.
Yes, sir.
I can definitely say, even Prime Minister, world's largest health insurance scheme, Ayushman Bharat, PMJ, 230 plus million beneficiaries have been provided Ayushman cards. It is not a small thing. Our Prime Minister vision is something so great. I think he is the only leader in the entire country who realized that insurance is going to really make a lot of changes in the lives of the ordinary human beings, ordinary citizens of India. So that is the reason why he took so much initiative. And wherein Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, which is a personal accident policy, then again Jeevan Jyoti, Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, where the term insurance product, so many claims are settled. And when it comes to crop insurance, ours is the world's third largest crop insurance.
What is the role of a broker in the whole social security system, or how do broker take part in increasing the social security of everybody?
Broker has a definite role to play. Unfortunately, the insurers are not really realizing, not even the governments are realizing the role of insurance brokers as intermediaries who can really make the total difference. Whether it comes when it comes to the even designing a suitable scheme, whether it is a personal accident scheme or a term life scheme or a scheme for livestock insurance or any other scheme for that matter, brokers have definite experience in understanding the requirements of the governments as a whole and the people of the states, their requirements, and what are the areas that can be really addressed by insurance. Their help as insurance advisors can be sought by the governments, municipalities, everyone, wherein the brokers can come forward and design the suitable policies as a whole and arrange for the protection for the people as a whole. See, assuming, I think everyone is aware of floods, devastating floods. Everyone is aware of, the hill, what I can say, serious floods resulting in landslide or rock slides, where the whole dwellings are put to serious loss. And now, what is the compensation in such cases the government is really offering is, I can say that it is peanuts when it is compared to the actual loss suffered by the individuals when there is a calamity. So the governments can take the help of insurance brokers to design schemes how to really take care of these actual, the damages due to catastrophes, and what are the other areas. So dwellings, they do have contents. The moment there is a calamity, there is a flood, there is a landslide, whole building is lost, whole contents are lost, and the individual families on roads. Unfortunately, there is no reporting of subsequent their rehabilitation and what is happening to them. So here, there can be a catastrophe insurance which can be designed by the broker, where concerned government can collect the premium through municipalities, through property tax, making it a mandatory part. And then when there is a claim, the broker can always have a detailed claims procedure, a very simplified claims procedure, which can be really followed up by the insurance brokers for immediate quick settlement of the claims. So whether it is coming to the designing the suitable cover for the welfare of the public, it are to protect even the properties of the public, or when it comes to the settlement of the claims speedily in a smooth manner, definitely the broker services are very much essential. And coming to the other thing, governments, in fact, we tried wherein, if you remember well, Upahar incident somewhere in 90s, there were so many people died in a cinema hall in Delhi. Mr. Vivek, if you remember, there was no insurance for the cinema hall. There was no liability insurance. Ultimately, those brothers have to sell out the properties and pay, and the compensation was really, disputed by the owner of the cinema hall. And taking this, the insurance requirements of these cinema theaters, there are so many areas where liability falls onto the particular cinema talkies owner or some industry owner. So all these areas can be properly addressed by an insurance broker. Whether it is a livestock, here we are the example where we handle sheep and goat insurance for the government of Telangana. We ensured speedy settlement of the claims to the beneficiaries. We provided a seamless end-to-end software platform for implementation of the sheep insurance scheme. But this time in the world, we have adopted a visa photo system where sheep is, the head of the sheep is in a photo along with the tag number visible. And when there is a death, same photo of the sheep face with tag number visible is submitted, which will be matched. Then only the claim was settled. So the insurance company was so comfortable. Everything was handled by a total claims process, starting from intimation till collection of documents, giving a process note to the insurance company in a Excel sheet on a weekly basis, based on which insurance company simply they say yes and they approve the claim. So these are the levels of insurance brokers if properly utilized. So here the services can reach the end beneficiaries. Governments get the benefit of providing the right covers to the public. So this is how the insurance broker plays a vital role, whether it is the government or it is the individual who wants some insurance cover, or it is a corporate which wants total insurance requirements to be addressed in the best way. The greatest advantage with insurance broker is he has the information of all insurance companies, the products of all insurance companies. He can scout the market for the best product where the premium rates are very much competitive. He is able to definitely locate the right insurer for the right insurance need, and then ensure the policy issuance, even to the extent of scrutiny of the policy. It not only there. When you say insurance company or insurance agent, their role ends there. Now they become the other party. The beauty of insurance broker is the representative of the client. He is with the client throughout the policy period throughout. So here, not only arranging the best policy from the market, he is also able to help the client for speedy and hassle-free settlement from the insurance company by guiding the client properly wherever the claims are payable as per the policy terms and conditions. This is what Mr. Vivek, how I can definitely take a pride being an insurance broker for the past so many years. I am from the first batch of insurance brokers in 2020, 2002, 2003 when the licenses were issued in the January month. So I have the highest experience. So with this experience, I always recommend to whether it is a government corporation having power projects or something like that, or a government body which is implementing some cattle or livestock insurance, or a government which really wants some schemes to be designed for the welfare of the people. An insurance broker is always there, available for them. They can always utilize the services of insurance broker. This is what Mr. Vivek, how insurance broker can really add to the social security schemes.
Thank you so much for your time, sir. It was a pleasure talking to you.
Great, Mr. Vivek.
And happy Diwali to you, sir, and your entire family and broking fraternity.
Yeah, thank you so much. Here, I have one sincere request to the authority also. After the new chairman has taken over, there are a lot of reforms in the insurance industry which are pro policyholders, and in the interest of penetration of the insurance itself. And I think under his leadership, we are heading towards the the number one position in the entire world. That is one. But here, one important problem that is plaguing the whole health insurance policy holders, I would like to bring to the kind attention of the Honorable Chairman IRDA. The health insurance, whenever there is a claim, the claim is always partially settled now. They are not allowing the non-payables like syringes, like gloves. So these are the things which form part of the treatment, which are supplied by the hospitals. These are categorized as non-payables, unfortunately, by IRDA himself. So here, I think this categorization, which happened some years back, needs a review by the present Honorable Chairman. Because I buy health insurance, I expect all my hospital expenses to be paid by the insurance company, subject to some terms and conditions, but not these non-medicals. And interestingly, there are products in health insurance which cover non-medicals also. So the very moment there is a product which covers non-medicals, it can be ensured that all products cover non-medicals. This is my sincere appeal to Honorable Chairman IRDA through Insurance Times, Mr. Vivek.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Holders.
Yes, sir. No trouble. Okay, sir. Namaskar.
Thank you, Mr. Vivek. Thank you so much.